If you have just started crochet and want to make something useful, cute, and super fast, this crochet scrunchie is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to crochet a scrunchie step by step, even if this is your first ever crochet project. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a crochet scrunchie, also called a crochet hair tie. This project is beginner friendly, uses very little yarn, and you can finish it in one sitting. So grab your yarn, your crochet hook, and let's get started. For this crochet scrunchie you'll need 1 elastic hair tie, medium weight yarn, I'm using acrylic, but cotton also works, crochet hook size 3.5mm scissors and a crochet needle. That's it, no sewing required. First, attach yarn to hair tie. For that, make a slip knot, insert your hook into the loop, pull loop attaching to the hair tie. Chain 1 to secure. Now we'll work single crochet stitches directly over the hair tie. Insert your hook under the elastic, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Work 30 to 40 single crochets evenly around the hair tie. For fluffier scrunchie, make more stitches like 60 to 70 single crochet stitches. You can also follow with the free written pattern, link in the description box. Join with slip stitch to first single crochet. For the second round, we're going to increase to give the scrunchie its fluffy look. First, make chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 3 double crochet in each stitch around. Now complete the round 2. As you crochet, you'll see the scrunchie naturally start to ruffle. That's exactly what we want. Now we will do the last stitch of round 2. Three double crochet stitch. To finish the round 2, join with slip stitch into the first double crochet. Insert the hook from the back and pull the yarn. Once you finish the round, cut your yarn, pull it through and tighten. Weave in the ends using your hook or needle. For the third round, we're going to make one single crochet in each stitch around. Once you finish the round, cut your yarn, pull it through and tighten. Weave in the ends using your hook or needle. For the fourth round, we're going to make one single crochet in each stitch around. For the second round, we're going to increase to give the scrunchie its fluffy look. To finish the round 4, join with slip stitch into the first single crochet. Once you finish the round, cut your yarn, pull it through and tighten. Weave in the ends using your hook or needle. And that's it. Your crochet scrunchie is complete. Soft, stretchy, and perfect for everyday use or gifting. If your scrunchie feels tight, add more single crochets in the first round. If you want it extra fluffy, add a third round of double crochet. You can also experiment with velvet or chunky yarn for different looks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment "Scrunchie" below. You can also follow the free written pattern, linked in the description.